When it comes to high-performance projectors for professional or educational settings, having a reliable and versatile option is key. The NEC Sharp Display Entry Installation NP-PE456USL short-throw LCD projector is designed to meet the needs of classrooms, conference rooms, and home theater setups, delivering bright, clear, and detailed visuals every time. Its 16:10 aspect ratio ensures extra vertical space, making it perfect for presentations, spreadsheets, and immersive video content. From the moment it's unboxed, the design stands out for its balance between durability and functionality. NEC has long been recognized for creating dependable projectors, and this model continues that tradition. It's sturdy enough for ceiling mounting while remaining sleek enough not to dominate the room. The focus here is on consistent performance rather than flashy aesthetics, which is exactly what you want for professional or frequent use. A standout feature of the NP-PE456USL is its short throw capability. Short throw projectors are incredibly useful when space is limited, allowing you to produce a large image even when the projector is placed close to the wall or screen. This is particularly useful in smaller classrooms or meeting spaces where room layout can restrict traditional projector placement. Despite the shorter distance, NEC's engineering ensures brightness and image quality aren't compromised. Speaking of brightness, the projector delivers impressive illumination, producing clear and vivid visuals even in rooms with ambient light. NEC's LCD technology ensures color accuracy, sharp text, and consistent clarity. The slightly wider 16:10 aspect ratio adds flexibility for professional and educational content, giving more vertical space than standard 16:9 projectors. Connectivity is straightforward with multiple input options, including HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort, making it easy to connect laptops, media players, and other devices. Ceiling installation is simple and adaptable. Lens shift and keystone correction allow for precise image alignment, ensuring the projected image looks great without complex adjustments. The menu system is intuitive, and the included remote control makes it easy to adjust picture modes and settings. Maintenance is equally user-friendly, with accessible air filters and a lamp that's simple to replace, helping this projector maintain high performance over time. The NP-PE456USL offers consistently sharp, detailed images. Blacks are deep, whites remain bright without washing out colors, and overall image quality is impressive. This makes it suitable for professional presentations, educational lectures, or even movie screenings in a home theater setting. Minimal input lag ensures smooth performance for interactive content or real-time applications. Flexibility in installation is another benefit. The projector works with a range of ceiling mounts and projection screens, and its short-throw lens reduces shadow interference, which is a common issue when people walk in front of the projector. Noise levels are low enough that the projector won't interfere with audio during presentations or videos. On the connectivity front, the NP-PE456USL is well-equipped. Multiple ports allow for simultaneous device connections without constant cable swapping. Network options provide integration into IT environments, enabling remote management or scheduling, which is particularly useful for classrooms or offices with multiple projectors. In terms of value, the NP-PE456USL offers professional-grade features without unnecessary extras. It's a reliable long-term solution for anyone who wants a short-throw projector with high brightness, accurate colors, and easy installation. Whether it's for professional, educational, or home theater use, this projector delivers consistent performance. Overall, the NEC Sharp Display Entry Installation NP-PE456USL short-throw LCD projector balances brightness, image quality, and installation flexibility. It's engineered to last, provides intuitive operation, and ensures professional-grade visuals for a variety of settings. If your goal is dependable projection that looks great and functions smoothly in any environment, this model is a strong choice. For those interested in purchasing this projector, the link is available in the description below. It's a smart investment for anyone seeking professional projection quality, reliability, and versatility.